Ever wished for a little slice of nature right outside your door? Imagine having a sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life, a place where you can unwind and reconnect with the natural world. Imagine stepping out into your backyard and being greeted by vibrant blooms and the intoxicating aroma of fresh herbs. Picture the colors and scents that fill the air, creating a serene and peaceful environment that soothes your mind and lifts your spirits. Gardening is more than just a hobby. It's a rewarding journey that connects you to nature and nourishes your body and soul. The act of planting seeds, nurturing them, and watching them grow into beautiful plants is incredibly fulfilling. It's a therapeutic process that offers a sense of accomplishment and joy. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or a sunny windowsill, anyone can experience the joy of growing their own food and flowers. Urban gardening is on the rise, and even a small space can be transformed into a lush garden. From balconies to windowsills, every bit of space can be utilized to create a green haven. Get ready to unearth your inner gardener and transform your home into a green oasis. With a little effort and creativity, you can cultivate a garden that not only enhances the beauty of your home, but also provides fresh produce and flowers. Embrace the journey of gardening and discover the endless possibilities it offers. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, there's always something new to learn and enjoy. So grab your tools, get your hands dirty, and start your gardening adventure today. Gardening offers a wealth of benefits beyond the beauty it brings to your home. It's not just about having a picturesque landscape. It's about creating a sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle of daily life. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a symphony of colors and scents, a place where you can truly unwind. Imagine biting into a juicy tomato, still warm from the sun, knowing you nurtured it from a tiny seed. The satisfaction of growing your own food is unparalleled. Each bite is a testament to your hard work and dedication. It's a connection to nature that many of us have lost in our fast-paced modern lives. Homegrown produce bursts with flavor and is packed with nutrients, often surpassing the quality of store-bought options. When you grow your own vegetables, you have control over what goes into your soil and onto your plants. No harmful pesticides or chemicals, just pure organic goodness. Plus, the taste of freshly picked produce is simply unbeatable. Plus, gardening is a fantastic way to reduce your carbon footprint and live more sustainably. By growing your own food, you're cutting down on the need for transportation and packaging, which are major contributors to environmental pollution. Composting kitchen scraps and garden waste also enriches your soil, creating a closed-loop system that benefits both you and the planet. And let's not forget the therapeutic benefits. Gardening can be a form of meditation, a way to clear your mind and focus on the present moment. The simple act of tending to your plants can reduce stress and anxiety, providing a sense of accomplishment and purpose. Digging in the soil, tending to your plants, and witnessing their growth can be incredibly calming and rewarding. Watching a seedling sprout and grow into a thriving plant is a reminder of the beauty and resilience of life. It's a journey that teaches patience, perseverance, and the joy of nurturing something from start to finish. So why not start your own garden today and reap the countless benefits it has to offer? Don't let a lack of experience deter you. Gardening is a rewarding and therapeutic hobby that anyone can enjoy regardless of their skill level. Whether you have a sprawling backyard or just a small balcony, there are plenty of ways to get started and see your efforts bloom. Starting a garden is easier than you think. Begin with a simple plan and choose plants that are known for being beginner-friendly. Some great options include tomatoes, lettuce, and marigolds. These plants are not only easy to grow, but also provide a quick sense of accomplishment as you see them flourish. For those with limited space, container gardening is a fantastic option. You can use pots, hanging baskets, or even repurpose old containers to create a vibrant garden. This method is perfect for urban dwellers or anyone looking to maximize their space. Choose from a variety of herbs, vegetables, or even dwarf fruit trees that thrive in pots. Basil, mint, and cherry tomatoes are excellent choices for container gardening. Not only do they grow well in confined spaces, but they also add a touch of greenery and freshness to your living area. Herb gardens are another great starting point, bringing fresh flavors to your kitchen and filling your home with delightful scents. Imagine having fresh basil for your pasta, mint for your tea, or rosemary for your roasted vegetables, all within arm's reach. Before you plant, it's helpful to test your soil to ensure it has the right balance of nutrients. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. By understanding your soil's composition, you can make informed decisions about what amendments or fertilizers might be needed. DIY soil testing kits are readily available and easy to use. These kits can help you determine the pH level and nutrient content of your soil, guiding you on how to create the perfect growing environment for your plants. With a little guidance, you'll be amazed at what you can grow. From vibrant flowers to delicious vegetables, the possibilities are endless. Gardening not only beautifies your space, but also provides a sense of accomplishment and a connection to nature. So, grab your tools, pick your plants, and dive into the wonderful world of gardening. Happy planting! Embrace the power of nature and cultivate a thriving garden using organic practices. Composting is a fantastic way to recycle kitchen scraps and yard waste, transforming them into nutrient-rich fertilizer for your plants. Say goodbye to harmful pesticides and embrace natural pest control methods. Ladybugs, praying mantises, and even certain plants like marigolds act as natural deterrents to unwanted critters. Vertical gardening is another innovative technique, perfect for maximizing space in small gardens or balconies. By growing plants vertically, you can create a stunning green wall while maximizing sunlight exposure. Section 5. Keep the green thumb going. Tips for consistent gardening. Consistency is key to a thriving garden. Set aside dedicated time each week to water, weed, and inspect your plants. Observe their growth patterns and adjust your care routine accordingly. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different plant varieties, companion planting techniques, or new organic fertilizers. Gardening is a continuous learning experience, and every season brings new opportunities for growth and discovery. Remember, even experienced gardeners encounter challenges, so embrace the journey and learn from any setbacks. Section 6. Unearthing the secrets. Your journey to a bountiful garden begins now. From the satisfaction of harvesting your own food to the therapeutic benefits of connecting with nature, gardening offers a wealth of rewards for everyone. Remember, you don't need a sprawling estate to experience the joy of growing your own food. Start small, experiment, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. The most important ingredient in any successful garden is passion. So embrace your green thumb and watch your garden flourish. Section 7. Share your gardening journey. We'd love to hear about your gardening adventures. What are you most excited to grow in your garden? Share your thoughts, questions, and any tips you've discovered in the comments below. Let's create a thriving community of passionate gardeners. Section 8. Ready to grow with us? If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more gardening inspiration and advice. Join us on this exciting journey as we explore the wonderful world of gardening and organic farming together.